Hello everybody, my name is Nitish Sharma. I'm here to explain the ninth exercise of DBMS lab. It's using creation of other database objects using index and sequence. Index is basically used to search the values faster. We have 8 set of questions and you have to use index and sequence. The first question is to create an index on city column of the customer table. So for that the syntax is to create index name that is I1 on customer table and city is a column, so an index is created. The next question is to create an index on order ID column of the order table. So for that we have the syntax as create index name I2 on order 1 table on the customer ID column. The index is created. The third question is to create a composite index on product table on attributes product ID and product description. So we create a composite table which is a kind of an index, create index I3. This is the same, uses the same syntax on a product table, product ID and product description. These are the two attributes. That's why it is called composite index with 2 columns and an index is created. The fourth question is to create a functional index on customer table and attribute CNAME and use uppercase. So for that the query is as create index, the index name I4 on customer table. We use upper customer name. So the column name is customer name and all the names will be in uppercase because the question is asked so, and the index is created. The fifth question is to create a bitmap index on the gender field on the supplier table. So bitmap index is a special kind of index used to check low cardinality columns. So we give the syntax as create bitmap index I5 is the index name on supplier table and gender. So here an error occurs because we use express addition. The seventh question is to create a syntax sequence in the order ID of the order table and to insert into the order table and for order ID using the sequence number. So the syntax is as create sequence name SI, increment by 100. We start with the variable 109. So it becomes 109, 209, 309. The maximum value is 999 and thus the sequence is created. Then we try to insert into the order 1 table the values and we give the date in the date month year format. The row is created and when we display it from the order 1 table we get the order IDs from 209, 309, 109. By every 100 it goes. In customer ID is 21. The last question is to drop the last created index and for that the syntax is drop index, the index name, and thus the index is dropped, and this ends the 9th experiment. Thank you.